Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Before Banking Awareness. Today it's our lesson number 5 and in this lesson we are going to study about third generation of computer. In this generation the duration was 1966 to 1975. In first generation we have seen that there were vacuum tubes were used, and in second generation vacuum tubes were replaced by transistors, and in third generation transistors were replaced by ICs. ICs were invented by Jack Kilby. Then operating system in this generation were remote processing operating system, time sharing operating system, real time operating system, and multi-programming operating system. These were very important points. Based on this point, I made a chart and it is given in Telegram channel Before Banking Awareness. If you want more charts and notes, you can join it. In third generation, high level languages were used. Some of these are Fortran 2 to Fortran 4, COBOL, Pascal, PL1, BASIC and ALGOL. Main features of this generation were they were more reliable as compared to second generation, they were smaller in size as compared to second generation, they were faster, they were having lesser maintenance, and they are still costly. AC was compulsory needed in third generation too, and they consume lesser electricity as compared to second generation computers. In third generation, microchip were memory device, or we can say it as memory unit. 1 MB memory was the main memory, and speed of third generation computer was 100 nanoseconds. Main use of these computers were in the area of database management system and online system. One point we have to note that computer for the first time in third generation were become accessible to a mass audience. It means first time they were available to general people. Now, advantages of this generation computer were they were having better speed as compared to second generation, they were less in cost as compared to second generation, and in third generation mouse and keyboard were invented. Disadvantage of these computers were AC was still required in this generation. Some of computers of this generation were IBM 360 series, Honeywell 6000 series, PDP, that is personal data processor, IBM 370 or IBM 168 or and TDC 316. We have to remember that first processor was introduced in third generation. It is very important point, and it was invented by Intel company in 1971. It was named as Intel 4004. It was 4-bit processor, that is why it is named as 4004. Intel stands for Integrated Electronics. Information given in this lecture was very important, so remember it time to time. Keep studying. Thank you.